Good morning and welcome to a very sunny Cornwall in the UK. I'm sitting near Par Beach in Cornwall, and I'm hoping to have a lovely explore around, although I'm a little bit time limited, so I'm going to challenge myself by ensuring that I only take one composition. I'll probably take several photographs, but I'm going to find one composition, get that home on the computer, quick 2-minute edit, job done. So why have I set myself this challenge? Well, next weekend is Father's Day, and I'm conscious that for many of us, it's going to be quite difficult to get some photography in that day. So I thought, okay, is it possible to find a composition, take a photograph, get it edited, all within a morning? So we'll see about that. I also want to tell you about an amazing promotion that's come from DxO, which actually starts on June the 15th, and it'll be available for 2 weeks, and I'll tell you a little bit more about that a little later on. So for now, let's go and find that composition. There must be one here somewhere, surely. So how about some colourful beach huts? We're nowhere near the beach. So as you can see behind me, Par Beach is big, wide and sandy. It's low tide, so the sea's a long way out. I might struggle to find that composition. I just need the one, that's all. Let's explore a little bit more. So what I'm actually after is, rather than a distant view, is just a single subject. Have to keep looking. How about a piece of driftwood? Possible, I guess. No, let's see if we can find better. We can always come back. Okay, now I think I've found something just over here. It's looking really promising. Let's go and check it out. So what have we got here? We've got some grasses. I think it's marram grass that has seeded. They look pretty good. And then we've got some yellow flowers. Looks a little bit like ragwort, but I'm not entirely sure. And then, of course, we've got this, which would be an incredible anchor for a shot of the grasses, or even a shot on its own. Let's see what we can do. Here's my composition I'm hoping to take home with me. Log in front to anchor the front of the frame, yellow of the flowers mid-frame, and the marram grass, the seeded marram grass, at the rear of the frame. I'm using my normal confidence stack. Instead of f8 though, I'm choosing f11, so I get a bit more of a depth of field. I don't mind if the log in front is slightly out of focus. And I'm going to try a range of different shutter speeds because the light is very harsh this morning. It's quite bright, high contrast, so I might have a faster shutter speed, probably end up at around sort of 2/50th or 1/500th even. So I'll take a range of shots and we'll see what we get. That'll do for me. Okay, camera's packed away now. Are you like me, always left wondering if there was a better composition that I could have taken? Let me know in the comments below. It always worries me. Now I'm heading back now, and we'll get those photos, those images onto the computer and see which ones are the best. I'm going to use some cataloguing software, which whole new version's coming out. Well, I think it's Tuesday, but I'm producing a video on Wednesday to tell you all about that and the offer that's available with that. And of course, a little bit later, after we've done a quick job, a quick edit on those images, I'll tell you all about the DxO Father's Day promotion. It's a doozy. You know how I just said about the fact that as you move away from that composition you found, you find another and another. The temptation is so difficult to resist. But the challenge was one composition. That's all I need. That's all I've taken. So I'm back now, and I've loaded up the image into PhotoLab 9 and I'm about to start the edit. Now, I'm not going to bore you with a completely detailed explanation of everything I'm going to do, but it's going to be a very quick edit of this particular image. Now, you lucky people are not going to have to watch this blow by blow. I'm going to speed it up for you. The magic of video. Let's see how we get on. Well, in real time, that edit took me about 3.5, I think it was maybe 4 minutes at the outside, using both PhotoLab 9 and Color Efex. So I think I've probably met my challenge successfully. I've been out on location to the beach. I found one composition with my one camera and one lens. I've taken my photograph, I've got it back home onto the computer and edited it all within the morning. Now, of course, it's certainly not my best composition or photograph, and certainly not my best edit. But it does mean that when you're a little bit time limited, you can still do something. You can still get out there, take your photograph, edit it, and sit back and relax, which is exactly what I should do on Father's Day. Now, speaking of Father's Day, I am reminded to tell you all about the DxO promotion, which starts on June the 15th and goes right through to June the 28th. It spans Father's Day, basically. It's a 2-week promotion where you can buy a DxO product for 20% off the normal retail price if you use the special code which you can see on screen. Now, coming up on Wednesday, I ought to point out I have found a solution to the one problem that I have found with DxO PhotoLab. It's not an editing problem, but don't forget to subscribe and tune in on Wednesday when I'll tell you more. Thanks very much for watching, and until next time, bye.